Alright, so we got a 2015 Isuzu NPR with the key on. There's a lovely sound. And the brake booster light is on. The sound you're hearing is a vacuum pump down here by the brake booster. I'm gonna show you how to fix it. This pump right here running, showing 0 psi. So you pull this off, slide a 13 through the front, just like you would with a power steering pump, and you have 3 bolts all around it. Just like that. You knock it off. 3 little bolts. There's one on the bottom, one on the back side. You got this hose right here. You got this hose right here. She comes off. It's a press-on wheel, just like a power steering pump. Easy peasy. I use a 2-claw hook and then a center press. Sorry I didn't record that. Had other people show up in my shop and I kind of forgot to. Alright, the new pump is installed. I need to move that clamp on there more. The other one's installed. I still have my vacuum pump attached. And let's see what she does. She's still going to scream right now. Alright, shut her off. And disconnect my vacuum pump and get this all recentered. Alright, moment of truth. We got it all reconnected. Took the key out somewhere. Hold on. Alright, found the key. She's gonna scream for a second. Let her build up pressure, and she is off. Brake booster light is off. No more screaming. I think it's time for a test drive.